Hey guys, want to sound natural in Chinese? Say this. 你在干嘛?你在干嘛? It literally means what are you doing, but it works like what's up with friends. Repeat after me. 你在干嘛? One more time. 你在干嘛? 你在干嘛? Comment the next phrase you want in Chinese.